This is my mummy. I'm going to school today. Okay? My mom buy this. My mom buy into the Chevia shop. See? The two. I want to eat watermelon. Okay? No. Let's try. Oh, no, yummy. Yummy.
சொல்றது சப்பாத்தி நனைஞ்சிருச்சுன்னு அப்புறம்
Yeah, it's so good.